What's up, y'all? Welcome back to E with Dawn. How's the foodie fam out there doing today? I hope y'all having a marvelous day. You know I am, and you know what I say. In the day above and the under, y'all, it's a blessed day. Yeah, I know I'm looking a little rough today, but it's all good. Anyway, y'all, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Today been a rough day, so we just gonna do some burping and just call it a night. Alright, come on, let's get it popping. Y'all, I'm silly. Ooh, that was a good one. Y'all, I'm tired. Ooh, that one came from down deep down there. What? Breathe, let me breathe. It's hot, I'm hot. Ooh. Okay, y'all. Let me give you a few more, maybe a minute more, and then I'm gonna call it a night, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. What y'all up to tonight? Let me know. Yeah, I know. I need to do a mukbang. I hope I'm making y'all proud. My hair is dry. Baby, it's rough. Ooh. Okay. There we go. That's it for tonight, y'all. I love y'all. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.